Bore da, yn croeso i'r Ysgol Gyngor Howardian. We are some of the members of the school council and we are very proud of our amazing new primary school.
My name is Gracie and I'm the chair of school council. I've been in Howardian since the school first opened in September 2015 when I was in the reception class.
My name is Beth and I am the vice chair. I also started in reception.
My name is Ruziana and I started in year 1.
We love our new school because it is modern and our old school had trees growing inside the hall.
I love playing football with my friends in the mugger. We also have a much bigger playground, a field and loads of things to do at break times.
Our school has lots of places where we can learn, like the group room. This means that we have quiet places to concentrate as well as places where we can work with our friends.
We feel very lucky to have such a fantastic building and resources which makes our learning fun.
We know that Dr. Hoyle and our teachers really appreciate these amazing facilities and everybody comes to school feeling very happy.
Thank you to everybody who makes our school so fantastic.
And thank you for coming to our official opening ceremony today. We hope you have a lovely time. Diolch yn fawr.